Thanks a lot, Rahul. The energy, passion, and courage of the entire Bricsys team, and even more so of all the worldwide customers, truly makes a difference and fits so well into our customer centric Hexagon culture. There has never been a better time to bring autonomy and sustainability into construction. Hello, everyone. My name is Thomas Harring. I've been with Hexagon for nearly 20 years, and I'm the president of the Geosystems division. Let me now give you a brief insight into our journey towards an autonomous and sustainable future in construction. At Hexagon, we call this the greatest construction project in history, or reimagining construction. Hexagon is a global leader in sensor software and autonomous solutions, and Geosystems represents roughly 1/3 of it. The Geosystems division has been formed by Leica Geosystems and with over 60 successful acquisitions, strengthening our offerings with software, service, and sensor solutions. We focus strongly on solving current and upcoming customer problems in the buildings and infrastructure ecosystem. Our journey towards an autonomous and sustainable future in buildings and infrastructure is, in a simplified manner, all about pairing technology leadership and domain expertise. We believe William Gibson is right. The future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed. Most of what enables change, at least in the short to midterm, is simply the spread of existing technologies to become more persuasive. There are so many facts and statistics about buildings infrastructure, and it is known that the construction industry's productivity has trailed other sectors for decades, and the gap has not been reduced. On average, the cost overrun for large public projects is greater than 50%. And construction is challenged with greater than 50% of non-value-add activities. In manufacturing, this ratio is well below 25%. In addition, over 40% of the world's carbon emissions are tied to construction and the operations of buildings infrastructure, not including transportation or other adjacent industries. And it is estimated that roughly 30% of the emissions are wasted. But the performance of the global industry is not uniform. There are regional differences and significant variations depending on projects. For quite some time, the ecosystem has been in a deadlock to overcoming the barriers to higher productivity and sustainability. But this has changed. Today, technology offers significant opportunities to improve the total cost of ownership and pave the way for a sustainable future. The blueprint of our core feedback cycle can be explained as follows. Reality capture and positioning competencies create digital twins, which are enhanced by design, simulation, and location intelligence, and provide feedback to the real world. With this, the physical world and its digital become one reality. This is what we call smart digital reality. In this smart digital reality, one can build, maintain, and redesign the physical world. Let's look at the asset lifecycle, a holistic and integrated digital landscape, unifying off-site and on-site activities with seamless collaboration within and across phases. In the design phase, dynamic real-world scenarios and cloud collaboration become more of a reality. In the planning phase, our solutions support holistic and transparent model-based planning in all relevant 5 dimensions, truly 5D. During the construction and build phase, our solutions support to deliver on time, on budget, and within specs, while ensuring safety and compliance. And during the operations phase, our solutions facilitate the operations of assets, whether the customers own, manage, or occupy them. The key overarching topics are in the center, where they belong. So, sustainability by design means putting sustainability at the heart of the business and integrating it into everything done throughout the life cycle. And technology and industry convergence stands for emerging connections between different technologies such as sensor fusion, edge computing, or cloud, and connections between different industries such as prefabrication or industrialized construction. Undoubtedly, we are in an exciting time, and the shift from technology to opportunity is leading to massive improvements in productivity and sustainability. You will see our technology in action throughout the Digital Summit. BricsCAD version 23 simply gets better and more intuitive. And in the exciting breakout sessions, our product teams focus on key functionalities within Bricsys solutions and great examples of workflow integration in other Hexagon solutions. You also learn how Bricsys 24/7 and Leica Icon provide all project information at your fingertips. Delve into how BricsCAD unique AI technology adds intelligence to models and support Hexagon Smart Build Insight. And you can see how BricsCAD and CloudWorks provide point clouds for building design and construction, deploying Hexagon's market-leading reality capture solutions. You can ask the experts to experience even more from Hexagon, like how to apply Scan to Verify to detect relevant issues during construction, or how to use the BLK autonomous reality capture portfolio, and how to bring scans together with SuperMesh from the air, street, static, or dynamic, all in one digital reality, what we call smart digital realities, our professional metaverse. We all know that the expected shifts in construction have already occurred in other industries. Together with our customers, we have done this in other industries. Together with you, we are doing it in construction. With leading technology and well-founded domain expertise, the key ingredients for success are present. The ongoing movement towards smart cities and nations will change the construction industry for the best, creating more connected, collaborative, efficient, and sustainable cities and countries with smart digital realities. Imagine all the simulations you can do in smart digital realities. Flooding simulations, airflow in cities to avoid overheating, simulating urban planning in the existing context, and connecting physical events in the digital reality. We are innovating for a sustainable future and expanding our opportunities. By enhancing our solution offering, we are providing end-to-end solutions. By taking advantage of industry and technology convergence, especially within broader Hexagon. By scaling, we are benefiting from our strong global footprint and local reach. All this is directed towards empowering an autonomous future. We are continuing our portfolio transition and transformation, strengthening our resilience through innovation, utilizing acquisitions as an accelerator, and disrupting with autonomous solutions. Our digital solution rollout is running at full speed, offering endless opportunities. To close, you can see that we are committed to making work easier, insights available, and decisions better. By putting data to work in construction and throughout the asset lifecycle of buildings and infrastructure. We are accelerating our pace of innovation and will continue to do so, turning technology into opportunity and ensuring customer proximity will always be the essence of what we do. Together with our strong and passionate teams, we will always find innovative ways to succeed on this journey towards an autonomous and sustainable future, and pairing technology, leadership, and domain expertise. Thanks a lot for listening, and I wish you an enjoyable continuation of the Bricsys Digital Summit. Enjoy the hands-on experience and dialogue with our technical specialists on our latest innovation. In a world of technology, people make the difference. Let's build better with Bricsys, part of Hexagon.